process of comparing a measuring instrument reading to a known accurate and standard and adjusting it to ensure its measurements are reliable and correct. The function of calibration is to ensure the accuracy and reliability of measuring instrument and process. It involves comparing the measurement of a device under test to those of known standard to identify purpose of calibration. The goal of calibration is to determine the correct value of each scale reading on a measuring instrument. This is ensure the instrument provides accurate and reliable result within acceptable tolerance. Importance of calibration is essential for maintaining the integrity of data. It fields like ecology, weather, oceanography, and soil science.
What is the advantage and disadvantage of calibration? Advantage of calibration. The first one, accuracy and reliability. Calibration ensures that instrument and equipment provide accurate and reliable measurement. The second one, quality control. Regular calibration helps maintain quality control in manufacturing and other industry by ensuring that product meets specified standard. The third one is a compliance. Calibration is often required to comply with industry regulation and standard. The fourth one, cost savings. Accurate measurement can prevent errors and waste, leading to cost saving in the long run. And the last one, safety. In some applications, such as medical equipment, accurate calibration is critical for ensuring patient safety. The disadvantage of calibration. First one of disadvantage of calibration is a cost. Calibration can be expensive, especially for specialized equipment. The second, downtime. The equipment needs to be taken out of service for calibration, resulting in downtime. The third one, complexity. Calibration can be complex and require specialized knowledge and equipment. The fourth one is a frequency. Regular calibration is necessary, which can be time-consuming and inconvenient. And lastly, potential for error. There is always a potential for error during the calibration process itself, which can be affect the accuracy of the equipment. Here's the 6 important parts of a pressure gauge calibrator and functions. The first one is the pressure source. Functions. Generate the control and pressures applied to the gauge being calibrated. This can be a hand pump, pneumatic pump, hydraulic pump, or a regulated pressure supply. Importance. Provide the necessary pressure to test the gauge across its entire range, ensuring accurate readings at the different pressure level. Number 2. Pressure standard or the reference gauge. Functions. A highly accurate pressure measuring device uses a reference to compare against the gauge being calibrated. Importance. Provide a known precise pressure valves to determine the accuracy and deviation of the gauge under test. Number 3. Test connections or ports. Functions. Connect to the pressure source, the pressure standard, and the gauge being calibrated in a closed system. Importance. Ensure a leak-free connection to maintain stable pressure during calibration and allow for easy attachment and removal of gauges. Number 4. Control valve. Function. Regulate the pressure within the system, allowing for precise adjustment and stabilization of pressure levels. Importance. Enable fine control over the applied pressure, ensuring accurate and repeatable calibration measurement. Number 5. Display or readout. Function. Shows the pressure valve from the pressure standard and sometimes the gauge being calibrated, depending on the calibrator type. Importance. Provide a clear indication of applied pressure gauge, making it easy to compare and the readings between the standards and the gauge. Number 6. Calibration software or interface functions automates the calibrations process, records data, generates reports, and provides step-by-step instructions. Importance: streamline and calibration process, reduce human error, and provides detailed documentation for quality control and compliance purposes. In conclusions, pressure gauge calibrator are essential tools for ensuring the accuracy, reliability, and safety of pressure measurements. Across the various industries, regular calibration using this device helps maintain compliance with standard, optimize process efficiency, and prevent costly errors or accident. While the calibrations involve cost and the downtime, the benefits of accurate pressure reading far outweigh the drawbacks, making pressure gauge calibrator a vital investment for any operation relying on precise pressure measurement.